Using CMMI to improve software development processes. What is CMMI? Capability Maturity Model Integration is a framework that helps organizations improve their processes by establishing benchmarks for best practices in various areas such as project management, quality assurance, and software engineering. Understanding CMMI levels. Initial, organizations at this level have ad hoc processes that are often chaotic and unpredictable. Managed processes are documented and followed at this level, but they may still be somewhat reactive. Defined processes are well defined and standardized at this level, leading to more predictable outcomes. Quantitatively managed organizations at this level focus on quantitatively measuring their processes for better performance. Optimizing. This is the highest level of maturity, where organizations continuously improve their processes to achieve optimal results. Implementing CMMI in software development. Perform measurement and analysis, collect data on existing processes to identify areas for improvement. Enhance processes. Use CMMI best practices to optimize workflows and enhance the quality of software development. Optimize quality standards. Implement quality assurance measures to ensure that software products meet high standards. Collaborate as a team. Promote collaboration and communication among team members to foster innovation and efficiency. Optimize the software development life cycle. Streamline the software development life cycle to deliver products more quickly and efficiently. Conclusion. In conclusion, CMMI is a powerful tool for businesses looking to improve their software development processes.